Activity is chain speaking. Here we are going to complete a story. So I'm going to say a couple of sentences, then I'll pass it to her, and then it will go on like that. Okay. So you all need to make 2-3 sentences at least. Or not. And this is a very good exercise, guys. You guys can also try that. First, watch it and then try. So let's begin. So Ria was really tensed because she woke up late, and because she woke up late, she missed her school bus. And her dad was very angry, or rather mad at her. And then,
But she convinced her father to take her to the school. And her father dropped her to school, but she was quite late for the school. And there she got quite a scolding from the teacher. And then
She was very unhappy that she got scolded because she was a straight A student, and the exams were coming, and she had to manage all the time and study for at least 4 hours per day.
And then there was a lunch break. Then she got with her friends, get her lunch, and after a break she got very ease with the friends and got a new period of games. And then uh, she played volleyball in games period, and she talked with a friend called Reena, and she started laughing, and Reena started laughing on her, and she asking to her that why you're laughing on me. And then
Tina told her that she, when she was getting scolded, it was fun. Her reaction was funny, and after that they had small, they had chit chat for a moment, and then
Reena decided that she would rather go ahead and make a YouTube channel and express her views, because she was keeping a lot of things to herself, and because of that she was not able to express herself. So she decided that she would start a YouTube channel, and then she called up her best friend to decide what name they would give to their channel. And then
they decided that they will give a name to the channel that would be Beauty Guru. And they wanted to keep it, they want other people to not think that they are fake, and they are genuinely like the people that they are presenting to the YouTube. And they were talking about the beauty of the beauty, not from outside, how people perceive how you look, and how they think how your personality is by your looks. They generally wanted to tell people that inner personality matter rather than thinking about the outer personality. And then
after starting her YouTube channel, she felt very inspired. Then she's starting shooting content daily and uploading it to her YouTube channel. Her YouTube channel eventually grew up and reached 50K subscribers.
and because of 50K subscribers he get more interaction with the people. She was helping most of the people to get motivated. She started more reading about the books, the how she can motivate all the people. And then uh, uh, after that she started to knowing about the target audience, what they want from her. Then she started work upon that about the target audience. Then after then
After that, after that, she asked her brother to help her to promote her channel, and she asked him to animate some advertisement. And then
then Reena realized that making video was not the only purpose. She wanted to do something for the society, or rather wanted to give back. So she knew that until she focuses on her studies and gets some designation of the position, she would not be able to help the society. So while she was making the video, along with that, she also started focusing on her studies. And then
she wanted to open her own charity, and she wanted to help the stray animals that that suffers a lot, and people doesn't care about them, like dogs and cats. And she really wanted to take care of them, because there was an incident that she called the emergency services to secure or to rescue a cat. But they were not helping her, and they told them that we can't help cats, and she felt really bad because of that, and she focused more on her studies to learn more about many things that are happening in the world, and she wanted to open her own charity to help those stray animals. And then
After doing some research, she found out for opening a charity, you have to, you have to have a capital. So she started focusing on her studies more, and then her aim was to be a doctor.
And after that, he get to know about how to raise the funds, and she started his own charity called Helping Hand, and started helping the people as well as the animals and all to get rescued. And then after her class 10th, she decided to take a science stream because she wanted to become a doctor, and she also taking interest in biology. And then
As she was working hard, as she was working hard to study, her grades got improved, and she got recognized by her teachers and her parents. And then
Finally, Reena was able to clear her exam and she scored above 90%. Because of that, she got a scholarship. And then she also started preparing for NEET exam because she wanted to become a doctor and help the people. And after clearing her NEET exam, she needed funds for her admission. And then
she needed funds for admission. That's why she asked, she didn't have that much well-off parents, so she asked her followers to donate few money, like even if they give 20 rupees, that would be more than enough. And it's not depends on the money, it depends on the heart of the people, how much they wanted to give for the charity, and how much she wanted to promote that. She promoted that charity work and to collect those funds in her YouTube channel, or or on all her socials. And she wanted to become a vet to help the people and the stray animals. And then
one day she got a offer from Harvard University to teach the student and work as a bio professor in the university. But her English was not so good, so she did a little bit research and joined the academy called Excellent Academy.
and after joining the Excellent Academy, she had to used to interact with the people by helping with the getting public performance, GD, their courtroom activities, and how to speak in public, how to motivate people, how you can decorate your English. And then after taking PD classes from Excellent Academy, she started interacting with her friends, and she became extrovert by nature. And just because of that, she gained a lot more confidence in her. And
Then Reena started focusing on her career, and she started focusing on her YouTube channel as well. And then
and finally Reena became very successful. And finally we get to know कि कोई भी हम लोग चेन स्पीकिंग करते हैं, फाइनली एक्सीलेंट एकेडमी में वो बच्चा आता है और उसकी जिंदगी बदल जाती है. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू नो दैट फाइनली वी आर काइंड ऑफ मेकिंग अ डिफरेंस इन पीपल्स लाइफ. सो गाइज, आई होप आपको ये चेन स्पीकिंग एक्सरसाइज अच्छी लगी होगी और ये आपकी इंग्लिश को बेटर भी करेगी. नाउ अब आपको एक और काम करना है गाइज. मुझे कमेंट में बताइएगा कि आपको हम में से सबसे अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस, मुझे एक्सक्लूड कर सकते हैं, किसकी लगी. ओके